notice your thumbs will play together on C and F here. To make this harmonic minor, we're raising the 7th note of the scale, which is A flat. We're raising the A flat to an A natural here. This is harmonic minor. To make this melodic minor, we'll also raise the 6th note. So instead of a G flat, you'll play a G natural. So melodic minor, you play G and A, natural keys going up. And then when you descend the melodic minor scale, you flat those notes again so that you're playing the natural form of the minor scale. To play the primary chord progression, use the harmonic form of the scale, meaning you have your G flat back, but you still have the A, the raised 7th note, which is A natural.